So I hope you got some confidence today on doing some DIY projects for yourself. As I'm building this property, I will keep uploading more videos so that you can do these on your own. You're going to save tons of money. You could put that money into other things like bills or buying maybe a higher level of materials because you're not paying labor now. And any tools that you buy throughout the process, you're going to be able to have those in your inventory. Those are your personal tools now. And if you do this job again, or you do this in another room of your house or a rental property, you already own the tools. So any of that expenditure money is already been paid. The next job is even cheaper. Now, if you decide that you want to go out and do this for somebody else, your tools are already paid for. So minus materials, all money is yours for labor and profit. Now, I hope this helps you out. I hope this expands your mind a little bit to do some DIY projects. Please hit us with a like and a subscribe. It really helps the algorithm in the channel a lot, and it lets me know which videos are getting out there and which videos I need to pay more attention to make more videos like that. Now, if you have any questions, leave those down below in the comments section. And if you want to see us build something in the house or apartment, or you have an upcoming project, leave us a comment down below. Even if it doesn't have to do with the video, I will try to make a video to compensate you. All right, have a great day.